upon a time, there was a poor child with no father and no mother, and everything was dead, and no one was left in the whole world. Everything was dead. And the child went and searched day and night, and since nobody was left on the earth, he wanted to go up into the heavens. And the moon was looking at him so friendly. And when he finally got to the moon was a piece of rotten wood. And then he went to the sun. And when he got there, the sun was a wilted sunflower. And when he got to the stars, they were little golden flies stuck up there like the shrike sticks them on the black thorn. And when he wanted to go back down to earth, the earth was an overturned piss pot. And he was all alone. And he sat down and he cried. And he is there to this day. All alone. Okay, there's your story. Night-night.